Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today, from Standard 7 English Medium, chapter number 5. Chapter number 5. What is the chapter name? Chapter name is verbs. Okay, I talk about the types of verbs. Okay, transitive, intransitive, direct object and indirect object, and intransitive action and verb of being. Okay, now talks about the forms of verbs. Okay, in tense refer to the forms of a verb. Without verb we cannot form sentence. Okay, so tense generally indicates the times of an action, which could be now means present, earlier means past, or later in future. The form of the verb without any addition is also known as its base form. Okay, English verbs can be broadly classified into two types: regular verbs and irregular verbs. So let's discuss with the first one, regular verb. Okay, regular verb. What is the regular verb? Verbs that take ed, t suffix to indicate the past action are known as regular verb. Which verb had taken ed form? Okay, ed form. That ed or t form, that means that those verbs are what? Regular weak verb. Okay, in English verb usually take the ed, t ending in their past tense and past participle forms. For example, here given so many examples. Verbs like see and suffix, adding suffix with the dream. Dream is the verb, so the past form dreamed. Okay, and past participle. Okay, here given the present, past and past participle, means this which regular verb. Jump, so ed form jump and jumped. Parked, parked, parked. Laugh, laughed, laughed. Act, act, act. Smell, smell, smelt. Learn, learned, learned. Okay, ed and t form goes with what? Regular verb. Some more, if given glow, so the past form of glowed. Okay, in the past and past participle. If given word head, head. If the given this word head, so the past and past participle we only added what? Ed. Then the word race, race. Okay, so what we add? Only d with the past form and past participle. If the word is given this react, so what we do here? Only add what? E and d. If the word given this happen, happen, so what we do? We add only ed with the both past and past participle. If the word given scream, scream, we add what? Only ed. Okay, so these are the words. Ed and t form goes with what? The regular verb. Now comes to the irregular verb. See, verbs such as do not speak change to did and spoke in the past tense forms. Such verbs are known as irregular, means strong verb, means different from the present and past, both are different. Okay, three forms are different. See, the verb is given awake, so what is the past form? Awoke, and past participle awoken. Here given bite, beat, beaten. Blow, blew, blown. Dig, dug, dug. Fall, fell, fallen. So this type of verb, if the verb is given in present form give, so the word is gave and past participle given. Is the what? Is the irregular verb. If the word given this sell, so the past form and the past participle given what? Sold. If the verb given see the past form so and past participle seen. Okay, so this is how we identify the word present, past and past participle. There are so more word. If the word given speak, so what is the past participle? Spoke, and past participle spoken. Okay, if the word given this blow, so the past participle blew. Past form and past participle blown. If the word given fly, then what is the word? Flew past and flown past participle. Okay, so this is how regular verb and irregular verb be formed. Form means past and past participle change. Sometimes past and past participle remain same. Then comes to here, easily confused verbs. So there are same word, means here given the word, see, bear, same word, but meaning of the word is different. So see the first, bear means to give birth, and bear means to carry. And see the past form, both are same. Bore means Timmy bore two puppies, means Timmy birthed two puppies, and bore, she bore herself with dignity, to carry. Okay, and past participle same, not. Here the first gave, see, born, born, and second one borne. Okay, now see the second, fall, fall means to come down from a higher place, and fell means to cause something to fall, In the past form of fall, fell, the girl fell from the cycle, and this fell means felled, the woodcutter felled the trees, felled and fallen, felled. Okay, to cause the something to fall, this fell, to cause something to fall. Okay, now comes to the lie and lay. Here given the word lay means put or place something down, to put or place something down. Lie, to raise, to put oneself in a flat position. And second lie, both, to say something that is not true. Okay, so lay meaning in the past, laid, laid. The president laid the foundation of the schools. To put or place something down, the president laid the foundation of the school. Past participle same. And lay, see the lie. Okay, this lie given the past form, lay, lay. The book lay on the ground means put. Okay, and lie means telling lie to someone, lied, past form. He lied to me about his job. Okay, see the past form and past participle, lay is the present, laid, and laid past participle. Lie present, lay past, and lain, lain, past participle. See, second, lie, lied, lied. Okay, now comes to the third. See the word raise and rise. Raise, to lift something up, and rise, to go upwards. In the raise, raised, same. Rise, rose, risen, verb. Okay, raise, we raise our hands in agreement. This raise, we raise our hands in agreement. And rose means all rose, to show their respect, to go upwards, and to lift something up here. The next is given here. See, saw, seen. See means to look at. I saw you at the party. And saw means cut, to cut. I showed through the wood means I cut through the wood, showed, past form. Okay, here given two exercise. I have explain only one, and second one is for you as a homework. Okay, now see, here given the fill in the blanks, and the verb is given. Fill in the blanks appropriately with the correct forms of the verbs given in the brackets. Here given in the brackets verb. The responsibility dash mine, here given be form, means to be form. So which to be form here we put? So we put the present, which singular. The responsibility is mine. In the second there are two blanks, and in the option haven't given two options. Okay, the bread blank blank stale. So in the first we put what? We put to have forms, means here has. Why? Because it's a singular. And if given has, so we wrote what? Past participle of the verb. Go, got. Okay, the second B answer is the bread has got stale. Now comes to the C. So here given blank B, it right to be cruel to animals. Here given it. So what we here write to be form? Is it right to be cruel to animals? Now D, here given I. Then talk about the yesterday. So we write what? We write the past participle, past form of this word. Here given lay. So what is the past form? L-A-I-D. L-A-I-D. Laid is the past form of the lay. Okay, now E. My good wishes. Here given wishes. Wishes is a plural. So here B given. And with your and your family. So what we write here? To be form. Present to be form. A-R-E. My good wishes are with you and your family. Now comes to F. I blank too much work. I have too much work. Okay. Then comes to next G. Comes to G. Blank on the bed for some time if you are feeling unwell. So here only write lie as a noun. Lie on the bed for some time. Comes to next. Rahul blank the consequence of his actions yesterday. Talk about the yesterday. So we write the past form of this bear. So B-O-R-E is the past form. Now comes to H. I can blank. So I can write I can see. Same word. I can write I can see the wisdom in her work. So next, the wall may, here write the fall. So what we write? We write the present, we fell. The wall may fall. The wall may fall under an attack. Then next, I blank the plank to make a chair. So what write the this form? Past. I saw the plank to make a chair. Then next, the ladder. The leader blank the responsibility for the team. So here bear given, so write the past form. The leader bore the responsibility for the team. So this is how we fill up the blanks, and this is the exercise I have given you as homework. You find it correct answers here given. I have already explained about this confusion word, easily confused verbs. So you can find it. And thank you for listening me. I hope you understand about the verbs.